Welcome to ZenInbox. Connecting your Titan Mail. Mailbox. Using IMAP SMTP. Easily integrate your Titan Mail account with ZenInbox. Using IMAP SMTP for seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Titan Mail mailbox. Navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Select Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection. Click Next to continue. Enter your mailbox details. First name, enter your first name. Last name, enter your last name. Email. ID, enter your Titan. Mail email address. Click Next to proceed. Configure IMAP settings. Username, enter your Titan Mail email address. Password. Use your Titan Mail account password. IMAP. Host, imap.titan.email. IMAP. Port, 993, SSL required. IMAP. TLS. Toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Configure SMTP settings. Username, enter your Titan Mail email address. Password, use your Titan Mail account password. SMTP host, smtp.titan.email. SMTP port, 465, SSL required. SMTP TLS. Toggle. On for encrypted email sending. Optional to set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success. Your Titan Mail mailbox is now connected. Enjoy a seamless email experience with ZenInbox.